Beavers are large, semi-aquatic rodents belonging to the family Castoridae, which includes two extant species, the North American beaver Castor canadensis and the Eurasian beaver Castor fiber. These industrious creatures are well known for their remarkable engineering skills, particularly in constructing dams and lodges. Beavers play a crucial role in their ecosystems, influencing water systems and creating habitats for various species. Physical characteristics. Beavers are the second largest rodents in the world, with adults typically weighing between 16 to 30 kilograms, 35 to 66 pounds, and measuring about 75 to 90 centimeters, 30 to 35 inches in length, excluding their tail. They have a stocky build, with a broad, flat tail that serves multiple purposes including balance, steering while swimming, and storing fat reserves. Beavers possess strong, webbed hind feet that make them excellent swimmers, capable of holding their breath for up to 15 minutes underwater. Their fur is dense and waterproof, helping them stay warm in cold water. The coloration of their fur ranges from light brown to dark brown, with some individuals displaying reddish hues. Beavers have large, chisel-like incisors that continuously grow throughout their lives, allowing them to gnaw on wood and other vegetation effectively. And behavior and lifestyle. Beavers are primarily nocturnal and are most active during the evening and nighttime. They are social animals that typically live in family groups, consisting of a monogamous pair and their offspring. Beavers communicate through vocalizations, scent marking, and tail slapping on the water's surface, which serves as a warning signal to alert other beavers of potential danger. One of the most remarkable aspects of beaver behavior is their ability to construct dams and lodges. They use a combination of trees, branches, mud, and stones to create structures that help regulate water levels in their habitat. By building dams, beavers create ponds, which provide them with protection from predators, abundant food sources, and suitable areas for raising their young. Feeding habits. Beavers are herbivorous, primarily feeding on the bark, leaves, and twigs of deciduous trees and shrubs. They favor species such as willows, aspens, birches, and maples. During the summer months, beavers will also consume aquatic plants and grasses. Their unique dental structure allows them to efficiently strip bark from trees, and they often cache food supplies in underwater piles to access during winter when resources are scarce. Beavers play a vital role in their ecosystems as ecosystem engineers. By cutting down trees and creating dams, they alter the landscape and create wetlands, which support diverse plant and animal life. The ponds formed by beaver dams provide habitats for fish, amphibians, and birds, contributing to increased biodiversity in the area. Reproduction and lifespan. Beavers typically mate in late winter or early spring, with gestation lasting about 105 to 107 days. A female beaver usually gives birth to a litter of 2 to 6 kits, which are born fully furred and with their eyes open. The kits are capable of swimming within a few hours of birth and begin to eat solid food at around 2 weeks old. The family unit is responsible for caring for the young kits, with both parents participating in teaching them essential survival skills. The kits stay with their parents for about 1 to 2 years before venturing out to establish their own territories. In the wild, beavers can live for 10 to 15 years, though some individuals have been known to live longer in captivity. Ecological impact. Beavers are considered a keystone species due to their significant impact on their environment. Their dam-building activities create wetlands that serve as critical habitats for many species, including fish, amphibians, birds, and other wildlife. These wetlands help filter pollutants from water, improve water quality, and provide essential ecosystem services such as flood control and groundwater recharge. The presence of beaver ponds can also promote biodiversity by creating a variety of habitats, including open water, marshes, and forested areas. As a result, areas affected by beaver activity often support a higher diversity of plant and animal life compared to surrounding ecosystems. Conservation status. Beavers were historically hunted for their fur, which led to significant population declines in some areas. However, with conservation efforts and changing attitudes toward wildlife management, beaver populations have rebounded in many regions. In North America, the North American beaver is classified as least concern due to its stable population and adaptability to various habitats. Despite their ecological benefits, beavers can sometimes be viewed as pests, particularly when their dam-building activities lead to flooding of agricultural land or infrastructure. Managing human-beaver conflicts is an important aspect of conservation efforts, emphasizing the need for coexistence strategies that protect both beavers and human interests. Cultural significance. Beavers have been an important part of human culture and history, particularly among indigenous peoples in North America. They have been celebrated in folklore and mythology, often symbolizing hard work, perseverance, and the importance of community. Beavers were also crucial to the fur trade, which played a significant role in the economic development of North America and Europe during the 17th and 18th centuries. Today, beavers continue to be a source of fascination and study in the fields of ecology, conservation, and wildlife management. Their role as ecosystem engineers highlights the interconnectedness of species and the importance of maintaining healthy habitats. Conclusion. Beavers are remarkable creatures that exemplify the intricate balance of nature. Their unique adaptations, social behavior, and ecological impact make them an essential part of their environments. Understanding the importance of beavers and their role as ecosystem engineers is crucial for promoting biodiversity and ensuring the health of our planet's ecosystems. As we strive for a sustainable future, the conservation of beavers and their habitats remains a vital component of environmental stewardship. Beavers are remarkable semi-aquatic rodents belonging to the family Castoridae, which encompasses two primary species, the North American beaver Castor canadensis and the Eurasian beaver Castor fiber. Known for their extraordinary engineering skills, beavers are primarily recognized for their ability to construct dams and lodges. These activities significantly influence their ecosystems, creating habitats for various species and playing a vital role in water management. Physical characteristics. Beavers are the second largest rodents in the world, with adults typically weighing between 16 to 30 kilograms 35 to 66 pounds and measuring approximately 75 to 90 centimeters 35 to 35 inches in length, excluding their tails. They have a stocky build, characterized by a broad, flat tail that serves multiple functions, including balance, propulsion while swimming, and fat storage. Beavers possess strong, webbed hind feet that enable them to swim efficiently, holding their breath for up to 15 minutes underwater. Their dense, waterproof fur provides insulation in cold water, helping them maintain body heat.